Welcome to Upstyle Plus. In this video, I will show you how to fix laptop or PC keyboard not working in Windows 10 or 11. First thing to check is to see if keyboard is connected to CPU properly. After that, restart PC and see if the issue is resolved. If not, click Start and then click Add Gear icon to go to Settings. This is the Settings page. Go to Update and Security. Update Windows and see if the issue is resolved. Next, from same screen, click Troubleshoot at the left side. Click Additional Troubleshooters. Select Keyboard. Click Run the Troubleshooter. It will look for the problems and recommend the fix. My PC has no such issue, so it is showing that troubleshooting completed and no changes or updates were necessary. Next, you can try to update keyboard drivers if it is needed. Right-click on PC icon at the desktop and select Manage. Here select Device Manager. Expand Keyboards, right-click Keyboard and select Update Driver. Next, try a different USB port to connect to your keyboard. Next, go to Settings, click Ease of Access. From left, select Keyboard. Turn on Use Toggle Keys and see if issue is resolved. If it was already on, turn it off and see if issue is resolved. For most people, this method fixes the issue. And if none of this works, it might be time to change your keyboard. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.